So today we shall be going from this to this. First job I'm going to do is to disconnect the batteries, disconnect the solar, disconnect the 240 electric as well. I'm going to concentrate on the wiring today, I think. I'm going to do it systematically, so we'll start at the front and work our way back. So day 2 of the Campervan rip out. Quite a productive day yesterday. Managed to remove the kitchen pod and all of its DC electrical equipment that was in there. Also just above the kitchen pod was the overhead storage cupboard. Removed that and tied back all the electrical equipment that goes on the roof. However, I've still got quite a bit of cables on the floor here, which I'll have to go through, sort out what I'm keeping and what's going. But today's job is to remove the partitioning wall for the bathroom and to remove the bathroom sink cupboard as well. In there, it's mostly 240 volt electrical equipment and cabling. So we'll make sure we clear that today. And if I have enough time today, I probably can, if I just draw it across here, remove that as well. So if we get them two cleared today, I'll be a happy man. Okay, let's make a start. Okay then, we are on day 3, so yesterday must have been day 2. Day 2, or yesterday, I removed the partition wall and the bathroom sink in that area. I also removed the bench seat, the water tank and the water heater. I even had time to remove the dodgy fridge, so that's all now gone. Today's objective is to remove this overhead storage locker, and hopefully I can get on removing the shower unit as well. They are the 2 primary targets to be done today. Let's make a start. Right, we are on day 4 of stripping out this camper van. Yesterday I removed the overhead storage cupboard, which sits above where the bench seat was, and also we no longer have a shower room. That is now gone. Today's job is to remove this wall here, which separates the bedroom with the habitation area, and hopefully I can get to start with taking up this flooring as well. Let's crack on. Day 5 of the Campervan tear down, rip out, strip down. Yesterday being day 4, as you saw, I ripped up the floor, removed the bedroom bulkhead wall, and you may as well have noticed I've removed the walls and ceiling as well to expose the vapour barrier and the insulation. The floor was absolutely rotten because around about 2 years ago my Truma hot water boiler did spring a leak. One of the hoses, or should I say one of the O-rings that goes onto the coupling of the hoses, had gone over a weekend and it spilled its entire contents upon the floor, around about 10 litres of water. Unbeknown to me, it soaked in between the vinyl laminated flooring I had at the time and soaked into the wood, and it's completely rotted out. I'm hoping it hasn't gone through this vapour barrier and the insulation and done some damage to the metalwork. I won't know until I remove this bulkhead, which is today's job. Obviously separates the cab between the habitation area. Being day 5, I'm hoping it's going to be the last day of this Campervan teardown. I'm going to make a move. I'll get this done.